Matching paint can be difficult and oftentimes very frustrating, but if you give yourself some space to blend the paint and fool the eye and then clear the rest of the area, the job becomes a lot easier. Today I'll be spraying Nason Base Coat Clear Coat, and the first step is just a light coat called a tack coat, just to get the paint to stick. And that's good for the first coat. The second coat should be an even, medium to wet coat that spreads out a little bit further than the first coat. The third and final coat will be a nice, even, wet coat, but since this is metallic paint, I'm going to give it a drop coat or a mist coat, which is increasing the pressure and backing off a little bit to even out the metallic flakes. Now I'm going to wait a few, just maybe 20 seconds to a minute for it to tack up. Then I'm going to give it a little bit of a mist coat. And now for the mist coat or the drop coat to even out the metallic flakes. After allowing the base coat to dry for about 20 minutes, the next step is to clear both panels. The first coat is going to be a tack coat, a light coat, and the second coat is going to be wet and shiny in the final coat. And this will be the last coat. allowing the paint to dry, this is the final result. In review, the repair area was primed, blocked with 150 grit, primed again, then wet sanded with 320. The rest of the fender and door were masked off and scuffed with the red pad. I then gave it 3 coats of Nason base coat color, blending into the fender and about halfway into the door. Finally, I gave it 2 coats of Nason clear. I hope you enjoyed this video on blending paint and matching paint, and if you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.